this should be so grand. Oh! Hey! Welcome to my channel, and sorry for my hands looking so crazy. As you can tell from my hands, I put a lot of energy, effort, everything, tears, sweat, all that and above for this DIY, and it is everything, and you are about to see. So for this DIY, I think I mentioned in one of my other old videos when I was giving my mom and Faja their deca makeover that I was going to create some wall art for like this big empty space, and I did it. It is done. So the inspiration for this DIY, I think I found it on Pinterest. The picture's right there. I wanted to recreate that, and I saw a couple, you know, obviously you can buy it, but I want to say like it was like $100 something odd bucks per, just for one panel. And I believe like Home Depot was also selling something similar. But I felt that the light, it was just one regular looking light, and I wanted it to be grand. I wanted it to have like multiple lights, remote control, like the bells and whistles, fancy, high tech. Also, thank you so much for being here with me for another video, another DIY, another project. If you find value in this video, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you are notified when I post more videos. Thanks! Goosebumps. Oh, I'm like speechless. Chills. Ooh! Looks so good. Time to draw. So I grabbed some chalk and I just eyeballed the picture and just free-handed the design. Time to carve. So you see here I am using a box cutter because at the moment I could not find my newly bought X-Acto knife, which I had to purchase later because the X-Acto knife works so much better and the lines are cleaner and it's easier to maneuver around the smaller details in the design. Then repeat 2 times for the other panels. So I'm going to use this board as a stencil, and I'm going to, you can clip or tape the other board behind it. It's better to use tapes because the clips can sometimes leave a dent into the foam board.
Push the curtains away, now I'm hanging out here.
Next, create frame. Trace the borders of the panel to create the frame. Next, it's time to paint. Okay, so I'm here at my parents' house, trying to finish this DIY, about to spray paint, and losing light quickly, so make sure you mask up, protective eyewear on. Who says you can't be looking stylish while protecting yourself too? Now, I was just using what I had, so I hope that this will be weatherproof enough. Fingers crossed. Tie the hair back, gloves on. One thing to know, when spray painting, you definitely don't want to, with foam board, I totally forgot this, but you don't want to get too close because then it starts to lift. So, yeah, I learned my lesson the second time around to not be so heavy with it, with the paint, so just a tip. Time to assemble. This is so crazy. There's gotta be a better way. It busted open from the back, and now I gotta go out and figure out another alternative for adhesive. Isn't that right, Louie? Okay, yeah. And this is insane. And then I got glue sticks from the dollar store, and they are extremely too big for the glue gun. See, what in the world? I didn't even know glue guns come in different sizes like that, so this is a no-go. So back to the drawing board with adhesives that I can use, because this is just, there's got to be a better way. That's all I'm saying. So I just have to I'm glad I did a test run before I recorded, because this was just a nightmare. Oh, these DIYers are some liars. Oh, much love though, I'm just joking, but you know, it rhymed. But E6000 can kiss my butt. E6000 glue is not a friend of mine. Just so cruel. So this mess happened because as I was using the E6000, it took like, it was like the tension of a gripper, which builds the muscle in your hand, and the back end of the tube exploded and the glue got all over my hand. So I tried to use the excess glue and just, you know, just recycle the damage, and it was just a nightmare. It wouldn't bond quickly, and I mean, that's that. So you won't see that side, but I just had to share it. E6000 is not the glue. What is the glue, and I'm not paid by the sponsor or anything for this. This just worked out 10,000% better, was of course, Gorilla Glue. And my dad was saying, Faja, love Faja, so brilliant. He's like, get the gel super glue. I'm like, really? He's like, yes, get the gel super glue. And this worked without a hitch. And it says like, I think hold for like 25 seconds. I counted 60 seconds and no mess, so clean. It bonded, success. That's all I'm saying. And also love all my DIYers out there. Love, love, love you guys. I just thought I was a little witty with the jokes. So yeah, you definitely want to use this boy if you need to bond something quickly without the mess. Adding duct tape along the frame to cover up that eyesore and just to give it a more cleaner look and added support to be more weatherproof. I asked Mom for some more black duct tape around the house. She's like, yeah, I have some. So we're digging through all the drawers and we're looking and we're looking. And I know you guys are like, oh, this looks fine. Well, let me show you. What am I supposed to do with this? What? It looked like a screw. A giant sized screw made out of tape. And I'm like, how did it even get like this? And she's like, oh, it's uneven. So yeah, no. I'm going back to the store to get some more black duct tape. Time to give it lights. Get it? Like give it life? Isn't it witty? Yes? No? Good punchline? So here, I'm just making sure that I get the placement right, and I add the double-sided clear tape to like the battery pack. Make sure that I put it in a place where you can't see the battery pack, and then I'm going to space out the lights evenly in a zigzag fashion. Big reveal. The moment you guys have been waiting for. Here's Mom, the lovely, gorgeous Mom. And here's Faja, Dad. Aren't they so lovely? Kings and queens, I'm telling you. Okay, who wants to do the honors? Who wants to press the on button? Ooh. Beautiful. First reaction. Wow. Look at the colors, Dominic. And there you have it, guys. Wow. All the hard work and sweat.
Yes.
They got more new furniture, so we're gonna have to give the deck another makeover, but
That's nice.
They didn't have anything to go in between there, so Like, do you guys love it?
Yes, very nice. All right, thank you, Dominique.
Beautiful.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
You guys are welcome. Love you guys.
Love you too. Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Mission accomplished. And I'm just super geeked how well this all came together. Luckily, I did not have to shed any blood. I didn't cut myself, and that's what I was worried about. But yeah, I'm okay. No one was hurt during the making of this DIY. And you know what? That's it for now. So I'm gonna go and peel this glue off my fingers. Time to send you guys off. So peace, love, lots and lots of love, and lots of hugs. Hugs. All right, bye. Louie, I didn't get your opinion. Did you like the DIY too? Okay, yes. I take that as a yes. And then he grabs his blanket. Yeah. Louie is also Linus from the Peanuts gang. Okay, love you, Louie. Say bye to everybody.